really caught my attention.
Clean and easy to use.
Has a ton of features.
Very simple to create animated videos using Animaker.
You're going to feel confident and you're going to build your own animation video right away.
Hello everyone, Raghav here, the CEO of Animaker. I'm so happy to see you all again. The last time we did a major launch, Animaker had just reached 4 million users. Now we really wanted to make a dent in video making space by giving power to non-designers and the first-time video creators to create studio quality videos. So we launched Animaker 2.0. Since then, Animaker's user base has skyrocketed to 16 million users. And Animaker 2.0 has delivered 20 million videos so far. That's 740,000 videos every month, which is 25,000 videos every day, 17 videos every minute. The surprising fact for us was that this growth happened all while a pandemic was raging across the globe. And during that time, you were more than happy to add us in your toolkit to help you with your remote work journey. Today, I want to take a minute and say for all the support, motivation, and feedback you have given us on behalf of the entire Animaker family, I would like to say a thank you, a big thank you. Now with 3.0, we want to take the next big leap by introducing you to the features that are truly revolutionary. In today's summit, we'll take you through different sections. Number one, how Animaker 3.0 is different from Animaker 2.0. The groundbreaking new features of Animaker 3.0, all the exciting updates that will take the existing features to the next level. What are the phenomenal new features that enterprise can be excited about? And definitely one big surprise. And I have two more spokesperson who's going to join with me, Tona and then Ranga. But before we talk about all of that, let's take a minute to think about how revolutionary companies iterate different version of the product. We are not one, but we are trying to be one. Take Tesla for example. Among all the models they have released so far, these three tell a story what Tesla's product strategy has been. The Roadster is clearly focused towards the adrenaline junkie. The Model S is focused on the business class that wants comfort and long range. The Model 3 was for the common man as it focused mainly on affordability. As you can see, Tesla had a different vision for each one of its cars and helped different segments for the same population. In a way, Tesla's approach is comparable to our approach with these three versions of Animaker. As I said, we are trying to be one, not at there. But with that said, Animaker 1.0 was built as a way to help startups create professional quality animated videos without breaking their bank. Animaker 2.0 was built as a modern, lightweight version of the application that helped non-designers from businesses and homes create live and animated videos within minutes. Today with Animaker 3.0, we are transforming the application into the ultimate Swiss knife of creativity that required for today's content-powered world, right? Its prime focus will be on helping businesses, individuals, and digital creators create studio-quality online video content without having to rent or hire an actual studio. With the gargantuan rise of bit-sized video formats like TikTok, Reels, Shorts. The focus for every business individuals or digital creator has to be on publishing high quality content on all these platforms, right? And to do that, the creators of today will need a tool that can boost their content quality way beyond what their competition is creating. Well, we got a long list of features aimed at just that. The first feature I want to talk about is the universal split. Before I deep dive, why is it called a universal split? Because unlike the split feature in other tools, it doesn't stop by splitting videos and audio files. It does much more than that. Only want a specific portion of the GIF you added into your video, just split it. Only want a specific portion of the character's animation, just split it. Yes, this universal split can split anything you can add onto the timeline. Be it text, characters, properties, GIFs or images. If you can upload it, you can also split it. That's a handy feature, isn't it? Now let's talk about the next feature that is an absolute necessity for any video that has an audio track. Introducing sound wave editor. You no longer have to be in the scenario where the background music dominates over the audio track and you can't hear anything, right? Watch this clip for instance.
Hi creators, we know the amount of effort that you put into create your sweet.
Can you hear anything the person is saying? Well, let us see how the sound wave editor can fix this.
Hi creators, we know the amount of effort that you put in to create your sweet content. But sometimes comments like these can be very hard.
That's much better, isn't it? The next thing that a comprehensive video editor needs is a simpler timeline. So today we are introducing you to Animaker's all new timeline. After all the feedback we received from you users, we have transformed it to be a much simpler while also being much more capable. While the timeline 2.0 needed you to get some hands-on experience before you can become a pro on the platform, the timeline in 3.0 lets you edit videos like a pro right from the get-go. Now these were the basic features that we introduced you to help you edit your raw footage. Now let's step it up a top notch, right? Let's talk about more awesome features that are designed to take your videos from a level of good quality to a great quality. Let's start with the ultimate time controller. Ever thought about having Doctor Strange's time controlling powers? Well, you can't have them in real life, but you can have them inside Animaker. Speed up your videos to 100x or slow it down to 0.01x times, or turn the time and make it run in reverse. It's all possible with the ultimate time controller inside Animaker. Here's a video sample with a time controller in action. How cool was that? This will help you create brand videos, commercials, sports videos, more at cinematic quality. With such a powerful time controller by your side, you can literally let your imagination run wild. Now let's move on to the next awesome feature. Nowadays, the largest influencer of the social media platforms have stepped up their game in terms of video quality, right? They now create videos at the most of the times, better than even a TV network produced show. If these influencers needed a replaceable background for their videos, they would rent a studio with a green screen, or sometimes even build their own studio. For a newbie to compete at the same level, they would need to burn a hole in their pocket, right? But what if you could tell you don't need a studio or any complicated equipment to shoot a high quality videos with a replaceable background? Introducing Animaker's AI powered background removal tool. This feature totally eliminates the need for green screen studio and enables Hollywood quality video production without a Hollywood budget. Let's see this cool feature in action. Like that? Then you will definitely like the next one on the list. This will be loved by a lot of musicians as well as podcasters. Introducing Animaker's music and voice visualizer. Although this feature is a creator favorite, most editing tools do not come with this feature preloaded. The creators usually will have to export their output and load it into their another software where the music visualization can alone be added. This usually means you have to pay for 2 tools instead of 1. So we want to help you save the extra cash by making this an inbuilt feature inside Animaker. All you need to do is load your video to your workspace, simply drop the music visualizer sticker into your video.
Hey folks, I am James Kennedy. Welcome to my channel, James Talks. Today we'll learn marketing.
That's it, you're done. How simple was that? Now, the next feature that will be available in the Animaker 3.0 is STT. Are you wondering what is that? Well, with the release of 2.0, we launched an AI-powered TTS solution that helped you to convert text to audio tracks. With the release of 3.0, we are launching an AI-powered STT solution that's nothing but speech to text. STT is a sophisticated subtitle maker. This feature will help in adding subtitles to social media videos, films, vlogs, or even your video podcasts. In the online world, it has become critical to add subtitles as the most people like watching social media videos in mute at work, right? So if you want your videos to have a great retention times, it is critical for you to add subtitles to every one of your videos. More than that, along with helping us create instant subtitles for our videos, 3.0 will also come with a video translation feature that will allow you to instantly translate your videos subtitles into new subtitles in 20 plus languages. So now repurposing your content for other languages is easier than ever before. Next on the list is our all new state-of-the-art file compression algorithm, helping users create 4K quality videos from the comfort of their browser is what Animaker is famous for. But when you create 4K quality videos, the output files are usually gigantic in size and can take up several GBs in disk space. But we don't want your disk to get filled up sooner than you want. So the our development team has completely reinvented Animaker's file compression that will help you get the highest quality video output without completely blocking up your storage space. Now, we will look at a feature that will help you record live videos in a single take. By now, you would have had exposure to the experience you normally have when you self-record videos, right? Between trying to remember the script correctly and making sure your recording equipment is working fine, any regular person will struggle while juggling at all these tasks, for definitely. Just like me, I'm struggling with that. So to help you have an easier self-recording experience today, we are introducing all new teleprompter app. The all new teleprompter app will allow you to read a transcript while you are recording your video. This ensures that you no longer have to get stressed about whether you can remember and deliver the script exactly the way you want. Want to record a new live video? Just rev up the new teleprompter and get going. This new app saves you a ton of time by completely removing the prep sessions and re-recording sessions from your creative process. I'm sure creators like you will love this feature when you have a hands-on experience with it. So, how have you liked the feature we have showcased so far? You found these exciting? The upcoming ones will definitely blow your mind. And to present that to you, here is Tona from the product marketing team.
Hey guys, those were some exciting additions, weren't they? I know you're all excited to know about the other features in Animaker 3.0 that are far superior to the ones in Animaker 2.0. Well, for one, it will no longer look the same as we are introducing an all-new outfit for the app. Yes, I'm talking about an all-new UI. But this UI update isn't just an update to the looks of the app. After a lot of research and also considering all the feedback we have received from the users over the past 2 years, we have done a complete revamp of the user interface. I know, you still want to have a quick peek at the new UI. So, here you go. Have a look at the transformation of Animaker 2.0 to Animaker 3.0. That looks good, doesn't it? Now, like we said earlier, this version focuses on two other factors apart from aesthetics. They are ease of navigation and app performance. What do we mean by ease of navigation? For instance, those frustrating times when you had to keep on scrolling to identify the perfect action for your character are long gone. Coupled with the library search feature, an all-new, expanded view of the library makes all the animations and assets just a click away. This reimagination also includes a feature that so many of you have been asking for. Now, you can zoom in and zoom out of the workspace whenever you want. Do you want to add a finer detail to the background of your scene? You can do that comfortably. Here's a quick example of what's possible with the new Workspace Zoom feature. Now, I've just covered the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the navigation updates that have been done. You will find a ton more when you explore the app yourself. Now, let's talk about what has changed in terms of app performance. We have reworked and re-optimized every section of the app. We also made sure that our app is far lighter. For instance, all the newly added icons are 50% lighter than the earlier version. All the intense optimization that have been done makes Animaker 3.0 2 times faster than Animaker 2.0 and almost 5 times faster than Animaker 1.0. Now, let me reveal the next surprise that awaits you in Animaker 3.0. When we launched Animaker 2.0, we introduced the world to our character builder. At launch, it had all the necessary features required to build billions of unique characters. The world was really excited. But we did not stop there. Based on the timely feedback that we received from all of our users, we kept introducing more skeletons to the character builder so that it could support more body types. This enabled our users to create videos that were super inclusive. Our character builder was such a huge hit that almost 90% of the videos created on Animaker had at least a single character in them. While this is all great, we want to keep pushing the boundaries further. So, with Animaker 3.0, we want to give you something more. something better. So, today we are taking a monumental leap and introducing 100 new professions, covering everything from civil servants to blue collar workers. We want to give you the power to create videos for any industry at any time. We know you like it whenever we introduce new updates to the character library. But if you think this is awesome, then here's the next update for you. Ever since we launched Animaker 1.0, we noticed that Animaker is used by people from all walks of life. Each user that joins Animaker comes with a unique purpose. So, over the couple of years, we try to understand them on a deeper level so that we can understand their problems and achieve their video goals. Animaker's template library is a result of such efforts. With Animaker 2.0, we created thousands of templates covering hundreds of different topics that a user might have to create videos for. In fact, 10 million video projects have been created using the templates of Animaker. But we believe this is just the start in the story of templates. With Animaker 3.0, we wanted to take it up several notches by introducing 4,000 plus new templates. That's why we have created a team that is solely dedicated to the research and creation of new templates. These 4,000 new templates will be live in the app by 2023. That is a surprising number of templates, isn't it? But you know what? The next feature is going to be even more surprising. While our templates helped our users to save a lot of design effort, it also helped them to bring their video creation time to under 10 minutes. But have you ever wished for a feature inside Animaker that lets you create videos in just 10 seconds and not 10 minutes? Well, you meet that feature today. Meet Steve AI. Built on patented technology, Steve AI is a tool that's truly groundbreaking. All you need to do is to select a video type, paste a script, select a design style, and voila, your video is ready to go. Now, anyone can create a video with just a few clicks. How cool was that? Now, let me introduce you to something that's completely new. Over the years, we have received a ton of new feature requests. This next feature was a result of all the feedback we received from the product community. Introducing Frames. This new Frames feature makes it super easy for our users to create stunning mockups, demo videos, and commercials for all kinds of applications. Do you want to showcase your application's UX on all kinds of devices? Well, all you have to do is just drop screenshots or screen recordings directly into the different frames available in the Animaker library. It's as simple as that. You no longer need advanced video making skills to create professional level mockups for your products and businesses. Those were some interesting updates, weren't they? But we aren't done yet. We have a bit more that we would like to introduce you to. And to do that, here's Ranganayaki.
Thanks for that, Tona. Now I'm here to show you some more cool features that enterprises and agencies will love. When video content creators start working on a long video project, they spend most of their time in editing and maintaining consistency throughout the video. Research shows that on an average, video content creators spend about 70% of their time in maintaining consistency throughout the video and only about 30% of the time on the actual video content. So to save everyone's valuable time, we are introducing Project Intelligence, an effective solution to the universal problem. Project Intelligence starts applying its magic the second you create your first scene. It learns your most preferred font, characters, animations, etc. and starts giving smart suggestions and lets you apply these preferences throughout your entire project, all in one single click. This helps in saving a significant amount of time for video content creators when they put the video together. Old habits die hard. We all know that PowerPoint is one of the most used tools when it comes to creating presentations, starting from a simple school project to presenting product pitches to investors. While PowerPoint is considered one of the best tools to create presentations, we can't deny the fact that it becomes useless when we step into the social media world. What if you could convert your PPT to a video and take the quality of your content to the next level? What if you can add characters, animations, or even a peppy music track? Well, today we are happy to announce the PPT to video converter in Animaker. Once you import your PPT into Animaker, you get to use Animaker's entire feature set and convert your PPT into an incredible video. Add avatars, GIFs, stock assets, properties, or premium soundtracks to your presentation and turn it into a video that truly packs a punch. With this converter, you can give a whole new life to your presentation in a matter of minutes. How awesome is that? Now, let's talk about how the pandemic has changed our lives forever. It has not only reshaped our lives, but it has also changed the way we work and communicate. With the remote working model and globally distributed teams, the need to have proper communication is more important than ever before. A simple miscommunication can cost you millions, and we are not even exaggerating. According to a survey, a company of 100 employees can lose up to $400,000 due to poor communication. Now imagine how much a company of 100,000 employees would lose. You might think video meetings are the solution, but the truth is different. What these companies need is efficient collaboration, and for that we are happy to introduce the Advanced Collab feature in Animaker. With Advanced Collab, you can tag your teammates to any scene or any object in your project and add your feedback or thoughts in the comment section of the project. With the feedback that is added, your teammates can make the corrections and resolve the comments right away. When you work on longer projects, a feature like this can ensure that there is no space for miscommunication, and this can help you save a ton of time. Apart from these updates, Animaker has made a massive leap in terms of security and privacy. Animaker 3.0 was built ground up with security in mind. The platform is compliant with all the best practice standards and follows robust security protocols to ensure that your data is safe and secure. In addition, Animaker also comes with secure authentication methods like single sign-on and two-factor authentication. By now, you would have seen a long list of new features that you can't wait to try out. Curious to know when you can access them? Here's Raghav again to tell you just that.
Hope you guys like these new additions to Animaker. In this launch, our incredible tech team has made 250 major and minor updates to the system. Out of the 250, 170 is ready for you to experience right now on the application. For the remaining updates, here is the roadmap for the planned release. I'm sure you are going to love all the updates we have showcased today. We can't wait for you to have a hands-on experience with 3.0. When we started Animaker, we were just a single product company, right? But with all your support during the pandemic, we were able to expand into a multi-product company. Today, all the new products have been doing phenomenally well. We have launched 4 major products. PicMaker, the smartest graphic design software for social media experts to design, schedule, and manage social posts across 100 plus platforms. PicMaker users have created more than 1 million designs so far. Second, VMaker. It is an online authoring tool for video-based training, learning and development, and corporate communication. This robust screen webcam recorder used in tandem with Animaker has empowered nearly 500,000 users in the L&D space. VMaker users created 500,000 video projects with 2 million minutes of recording. Show is a video-first marketing automation platform used by marketers and sales team to drive traffic to a website, engage with their users, and track their entire life cycle from visitor to customer. It includes video hosting, email marketing, surveys, and analytics. Show customers generated more than 6 million visitors so far. Steve AI, it helps social media experts and content marketers to leverage the power of patented AI to convert text and audio to stunning live or animated videos in seconds. Steve AI delivered more than 25,000 videos. The best part is that all these new products have direct integration with Animaker. With that, I would like to tell you thank you for joining us this session today. We would love your feedback on all the new tools and features, so feel free to inbox us anytime. Thank you for joining us today. Wait. wait. I just almost forgot. There is one more thing. Today, we are also happy to announce all new Animaker mobile app for iOS. I'll leave you today with a quick look of the application. And finally, whatever I'm going to say is not new for a lot of people. The real genius of Animaker 3.0 is you don't have to be a genius to use it. Bye for now. Watch the video.